In Australia, we're definitely seeing the impacts of a changing climate. We're getting more bushfires and marine heat waves in our ocean environment. Here most recently, a really devastating algal bloom that has resulted in thousands, if not millions, of dead fish.
Planting trees, restoration or revegetation on land is well established. Restoring habitat in the water is just as important.
It's estimated that about 99% of oyster reefs were destroyed here.
I like to think of oysters as ecological superheroes. One large oyster can filter about a bathtub of water a day.
There is no quick fix to the algal bloom, but we need to invest in coastal resilience to make sure that we can recover from biodiversity loss.
You know, where you have oyster habitat, there's a lot of species that can live. If you lose the oysters, everything's gone.
If we're putting in millions of these lost oysters, we're essentially putting back the water filter back into the marine environment and allowing the ocean to continue to clean itself. Nature has an incredible ability to recover and repair itself. We just got to give the ocean the opportunity.